man. He looked at me and he said, I'm leaving Los Angeles. I've seen too much of your city, yeah. There ain't no salvation here. The demon is everywhere. You better get down on your knees and pray. The hour is getting late. These are the final days. These are the days of war and peace, of night and day, of sin and saint. These are the times for wrong and right. You cannot live unless you die. Eating up fine cuisine, getting old and obscene. And I asked him, where are you going, man? He said, I can take you there if you sell your soul to me. He took me up to the Hollywood Hills, and then he showed me all kinds of thrills. The burning fire that is built by desire, and the flames keep growing higher and higher. Of night and day, of sin and saint.